Hari Om. So I am continuing my 27th part in English, Vishnu Sahasranamam, word by word, meaning. So the sloka is like this. Ananto huta bhuk bhokta sukadho naikadog agrajaha anirvinnah sadamarshi lokadishtana akbudaha. So this is the verse. Now let us see the meaning. Ananto, ananta, ananto becomes anantah when you do the sandhi. Antaha, anantaha. So, an is a ajadi pratyaya for a, I told you, and for vyanjanani, the consonants haladi pratyaya, only a. So here an comes because antaha, a is there, antaha, a. So an, antaha, anantaha. There is antaha means end, an, antaha it's a opposite meaning. No end. It's anantan. There is no antaha for it. Ananto huta bhuk bhokta. Huta bhuk is a very important this thing. Huta means the homa, yaga, yagya and all, and the ishtiga, the bricks, along with the firewood or panchagavya or the cow dung, dried cow dung cake and samiti and darbha and the ghee and all. That is the yaga, you build up the fire. Bhuk is the mantra. So it is the homagunda is called huta and bhuk. The flames comes when gritena swahaha iti vayam kurmaha chet. Iti vayam kurmaha chet. Tarhi bhuk iti ज्वाला भवति तत्र किल वयं जानीमः तेव अस्माकं कलाचारः हेव हुत भुक् भोक्ता भुक् means you also have to chant the rik agnaye swaha agnaye idannamama, like that you have to swaha agnimi swaha is a bhuk, swaha is the rik, and then the procedure also you will have. So, eta agne samitya vartatshvasa apyayasvacha tayaham vartamano bhuyasam apyayamanascha swaha yoma agne bhaginam sandam atha bhagam shiki rishate apagam agne tamkuru mamagne bhaginam kuru स्वाहा समितमादाय अग्ने सर्ववृथो भूयासम स्वाहा भू स्वाहा भुव स्वाहा सुव स्वाहा. Like that, when you put the swaha grithena by ghee, if you do that swaha along with the darbe or samiti, bhuk, because I am telling you, these yogas are very, these yajnas are very powerful. I have written in my book, The Search in Secret Sacred Hinduism. It is available in e-format in Amazon e-Kindle, in Amazon.in and also Google Play, where in Palakkad, we have taken the photograph, a foreigner has taken the photograph of Lord Shiva coming into the yoga in the Yajna Gunda, in the Homa Gunda, complete Nataraja. The photo has been taken and I have published it in my book also. You can see that also. A search in secret, sacred, the mysteries, the esoteric natures of this fire, because fire gives light and light has photons. Photons are particles in light which are non-decayable. They are copycats. No partiality. They are all same. They don't die. They don't decay. Their character, everything is same. That is eternity. That is what God gives. Impartiality. So, that is why fire worshippers, especially Persians, they were fire worshippers, Indians, they took it from India also, fire worshipping, the Iranians, the Zoroastrians. So, hutak bhuk, bhokta. Bhokta is a trich pratyaya, one who takes food, a eater, like conqueror, you are saying in English, no? Eater, you see, we have in Krizanda format, we have the trich pratyaya, bhokta, dhata, savita, savitri. The three will come, Datri, female, Strilinga, Purushalinga, Strilinga, like that. We have those Linga Vedas. So, Bhokta is a eater. It's a, generally they say male eater, but it is not. You cannot take it like a male eater. It's a Like all men are, we say, mortal. No, not only men, women are immortal, nothing like that. It includes. So Bhokta is a eater. Sukadah, Sukado becomes Sukadah. He gives a Sukha. Naikado Grajah. Na Eka Jaha and also Agrajah. Naikajo Agrajah. See, you have to do the splitting, the sandhi. Na Eka becomes Naika. Jaha, born. And Agrajah, see, is not the only one birth or only one born. Agrajaha means elder brother, okay. Agrajaha, Anujaha, younger brother. But here, Agrajaha means philosophically, he is the future also. He is not the only one in the future. He will take manifestations, avatar. He knows the future. See, when you say the universe expands, Edwin Hubble found out by the telescope, the infrared rays are shifting. The stars are moving away. So he said the universe is expanding. So here, Agrajaha, the expansion of the universe, Agrajaha, it is not the birth, one birth. He is Agrajaha. He is elder to the birth also. That means he is expanding. Agrajaha, Anirvinnaha Sadamarshi, Lokadhisthana Atbudah. Anirvinnaha. Nirvinnaha is sorrow. Nirvinnaha. Again, opposite meaning. Haladi pratyaya. Na. Yara, lava, papa, tata, like that. Na. Nirvinnaha. Anirvinnaha. Nirvinnaha is sorrow, sad or pains and all you can say. Anirvinnaha is not afflicted by any sorrows or pains or sins or anything. Is Anirvinnaha. Anirvinnaha Sada Marshi. Always tolerant, Sada, always. Mercy is forgiveness, tolerance, kindness, benevolent. He forgives everybody. Sada mercy he is. So Sada, always mercy. Loka Adhisthana Adbuddha. Adhisthana we know is foundation, resolution, firmness, abode, everything you can say. For the Loka. Lokasya Adhisthanaha Saha. For the Loka, this Prabanja, Adhisthanaha Adbuddha. Wonderful. Adbudam inside. In Tamil they say Arbudam. Arbudam is cancer in Samskrita. So you have to be very careful while pronouncing Samskrita. Dosha bhavena eva. Ataha kim vadami. So Adbuddha. Wonderful. Is the Lokasya Adhisthanam. Foundation. Adhishthanam. Adaha means down. Is the sthanam. Right? Foundation. Is the resolution. Adhisthana. Sanat Sanatana Dhamma Kabila Kapiravyaya Swastida Swastida Swastikrit Swasti Swasti Bhuk Swasti Dakshinaha Sanat Sanatana Tamaha. See, Sanat means from Sanat, from the ancient, Ramat. And it is than here, from and than. I will tell you how than. Than means greater than. Ravanat Ramaha Sreshtaha, I will say. Ravanat, than Ravana, Rama is Sreshtaha. So, what here means Sanat, Sanatana Tamaha. Tam comes from, see, what is Sanat? Sanatana Dharma and all. Sanatana. What is Sanatana? They don't understand the meaning, they don't understand Sanskritam also. Sun is one of the 12 in the pratyaya called Sanadi Pratyaya. Sun is one of the 12 pratyayas. We have pratyayas in Samskrita. We have the Dhatu. Then if you put a Krit Pratyaya, it will be a Prajipadikam. Then you put a Sup Pratyaya, it will be a Subandam. That is a noun format. Like Ramaha, Ramo, Ram, Kaihi, Rama, then Supratyaya, Rama, Ramaha, Ramo. You will go, there is a grammar. Then if you have put Ting, so Dhatu, if you put Ting Pratyayam, you will get Tigantams, verbs. Now, Sun is the one of the first for Sanadi Pratyaya we have. There's another Kridanta Pratyaya, Sanadi Pratyaya, Tatita Pratyaya, we have a lot of these things. In Sanadi Pratyaya, sun is one of the 12 pratyayas. But more than that, in the as sabdaha, that is aham, aham like that we come, no? Asti, asmi. In the as pratyaya, if you go to Kridanda, sun is the Shatru Shanach we have. Shatru Pratyaya means present continuous. Sun, Sati, Sat. Sati is 3, Sat is Punling and a neuter gender. So sun, for example, if I am going to say Aham Kurvan Asmi, I am going on doing. So sun is Asti, that is Aham. So sun is I am being on being, like that. Now, sun plus a sana. Sana is also meaning ancient, another meaning, but that is also correct. Sana means gaining, going on, continuing, and atana is passing over. So, sana plus atana, if you take sanatana, dirgha savarna sandhihi. A plus a plus a ending. Sana, atana, a plus a becomes sanatana. Now, what is this sun? It is presently going on, coming from the passing over, from the generation after generation. It's passing over. What? Dharma. Going on. Sun, sana. Going on, gaining. Sana. Atana. Passing over. So going on, going from the past, it's going on, getting passing over. Sanatana. Sana plus atana, sanatana. Pure Sanskrit. Vyakaranam. Dharma, we know what is dharma. So sanatana tamah, tam. If you say tam, saha taute tam tautan tenadabhyam taihi tasmaitabhyam tebhyah, like that. Saha taute tam, him. So second vibhakti. Tamaha is the sanatana, one who is having the sanatana tamaha. From sanat comes the sanatanam. Sanat. So the tamaha, he is a sanatana than the sanat. So I am going to take the Panchami Vibhakti like that. Than the, coming down from the olden times, is greater, like he is a tamaha of the sanatana, from the sanat also. Sanat coming, the whatever dharma is come, he is a sanatana than the sanat coming. That he is a sanatana tamaha. So sanatana tamaha kapilaha kapiravyayah. Now, Kapilaha is not Kapila Muni, about he spoke of Atma and all. We have seen his last time I told you Kapilaha is a Kapila Rishi. Even in Tamil Nadu they say in Muttamil Changa Kapilar, they call. Probably the influence, or he must have stayed in South also. Kapilaha is a very great Muni. All this, especially in Sama Veda and all, Yajur Veda and all, he has written a lot of this thing. Kapilaha Kapihi Avyayaha. Sanatana Kapilaha Kapihi. No, Kapihi means generally they say apes or monkey. Or I am not taking that, because there is another artha for Kapihi, which is sun, Surya. And is Avyayaha. Avyaya Purushaha Sakshi. Is Avyayaha means unchangeable, undecayable. He cannot decay. Avyayaha, not Vyayaha, Avyayaha. So he is a sun, because sun is undecayable. In light is undecayable, I told you. So I am taking this artha only from the Sanat. He is the greater than, he is a Sanatana Tamaha. He is a Sanatana Tamaha. Sanatana Tamaha, Kapilaha, Kapi Avyayaha. So Sanatana Tamaha is the, than the Sanat. So like Swastidaha, Swastidaha. Swa Asti. Swa means I or he, Asti. One who is living by himself. That's Artha. But Swasti means well-being. Swasti mantra and all we say. Its applied meaning is well-being. But technically in Sanskrit, if you split, Swa Asti. Asti means yes, he is there. Swa is there by himself. Is a being. Swastidaha. But Swasti means Swasti mantra and all is there. We have to take the meaning of well-being only. Bhavataha swastham katham asti. If I ask you, how is your health? Of your Bhavataha, of your Shashti Vibhakti, swastham katham. How? So, Swastidaha, Swastikrit Swasti. He is the Kritaha, he is the Kritaha, he is the creator, he is the manufacturer, he is the creator of Swasti. Swastikrit of that Swasti, the manufacturer of Swasti, that Swasti does, he does it the Swasti way. Swastidaha, Swastikrit Swasti. The creator of the Swasti, in the Swasti way. Swastidaha, Swastikrit Swasti, Swasti Bhuk, Swasti Dakshinaha, Swasti Bhuk, the Yagam, the flame, book. Very important. Yagam in our Hindus, Kalacharam, Homam, and all is very, very important. But nobody, I don't know, most of us may do it only on certain days in a year. Even for Janmadina they do. But nowadays it is declining. Bhishma did, Yudhishthira did, Ashwamedha Yaga. Homam and all we can do, Agni Hotri, Agni Homam and all. There are a lot of Homams, are Sudarshana Homam. But it is very important. So, Hrutak Vibhuhu, because of light, you attain the frequency of light, photons. Physically, I am telling. So, Swastikrit, the book, Swasti book. If you are the Yagam, he gives the Swasti book, Dakshinaha. Dakshinaha is a righteousness. See, I give Dakshina to a priest. Rightfully, I give the Dakshina to him because it's a righteousness duty of mine. For his righteousness executions. Prayers, Homa, like that. So, Swasti Dakshinaha. Now, next verse. Araudra Kundali Chakri Vikramyurjida Shasanaha Shapta Digaha Shabda Saha Shishiraha Sarvari Karaha. Raudra we know. Very cruel, very Dandava, Raudram, anger. Araudra opposite, I told you. Haladi Pratyaya, opposite meaning, calm, cool. Araudraha is. He is not Raudraha. Araudraha Kundali Chakri. Kundali means normally in Samskrita it is the Kundalam, the earrings. Makara Kundali. Teya Sada Savidirmandala Madhyavarti Narayana Sarsi Sannivita Keyurvan Makara Kundalavan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapuhu Dirda Shangi Chakraha we say. No, Makara. So, the Kundali, Makara is not given in here, but in Rigveda it is there. Makara Kundalam is there. Crocodile. So, Kundali, crocodile shaped. If Bhagavan wears crocodile shaped, Adityan wears crocodile shaped Kundali. But here it is not mentioned Makara. Makara Kundali, Chakra, the universe I told you is spinning. The entire universe is spinning, not only Earth is spinning. The sun with its 9 planets are spinning, sun itself is spinning around itself, then along with it is going around, revolving around the black hole in the Milky Way, then the Milky Way also is rotating around Andromeda galaxy. Everything is rotating against each other. Chakri. There is nothing called stable. Even the black hole, Stephen Hawking's black hole, the Milky Way is rotating Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda galaxy and Milky Way galaxies are rotating some other galaxies. Everything is not in a stable place. It takes 238 million years, the Earth years, for the sun to go along with its 9 children, to go one round, complete one round in the Milky Way. The center is the black hole. So dark black hole, it's so gravity. That's why it's keeping everything in balance. If it is weak, sun will go away. With its 9 planets, where they go away, we don't know, into the vast universe. So, Chakri, Vikram, Urjida, Shasana. Vikram means always Kramam, Vikram. We know victory. Krama means regular. It's I would say regularity, pure Sanskrit meaning. Kramam. So, Vikramam, emphasis, regularity. Vikramam, Urjida, power. Jita means victory. Urjida is emphatic on Jita. Very powerful he is. Vikram Urjita, it become Vikram plus Urjita Shasana, government, rule, chair, sitting on authority, rules and procedures of a government, Shasanam. So he is the authority, he is the ruler, he is the king, he is the government. Shasanam, Raja Shasanam, Rajanga Shasanam, political Shasanam, whatever you want to call, you call. He is a Shasana hai. Shabda Digah, Shabda Agi, Shabda Atigah. Atigah is crossing over, is overtaking Shabda. I told you Adikramya, crossing, overtaking. Shabdam Atigah, Shabtadigah. A plus A become A, Dirgha Savarna Sandhi. Shabtadigah is greater than Shabda. Because if you want to take, Shabda is 30,000 something, it's very much, 30,000 kilometers I think per hour or something, but it is much lesser than light, which travels 300,000 kilometers per second. So Shabda, it travels greater than Shabda. Shabda, he overtakes Shabda. Shabda Saha, he also goes along with the Shabda. With Shabda, what he does? Shishiraha, cool. Shishiraha means moon, it refers to moon, Shishi and all. Shashaka Shavake, we have the rabbit structure in the moon. Shishiraha is cool, coolness. It talks of the season, cool season. Shishiraha and then Sharvari Karaha. What is Sharvari? The finest, correct meaning of Sanskrit is twilight, evening. So, the evening and the coolness of the moon, everything, he is the universe. He is all the seasons. The sound, the light we saw earlier verses, Shabda Adiga, Shabda Saha also, Shishiraha also, Sarvari. Sarvari is twilight, is the correct meaning. There are a lot of meanings, but it is a twilight because they talk of the coolness of the moon. The coolness is everywhere. It's a twilight, giving the coolness. Sarvari Karaha Akrura Peshalo Daksho Dakshinaha Kshaminam Varaha Vidvattamo Vita Bhayaha Punya Shra, not Shru, Shravana Punya Shravana Kirtanaha Akruraha. Very simple. Kruraha, cruel. Again, Ka, because Kaka Chacha, you put not an. That is Ajadi, this is Haladi. So it becomes a opposite meaning. No cruelty, is soft. Akruraha, Peshalaha. Peshalaha, Peshalo, it will be in the book. Peshalaha. Like, what is Peshalaha? Soft, timid, humble. Peshalam. They say, Peshalaha Dakshaha. Dakshaha is righteousness always. Daksha means right. Right side is also called Dakshina Bhage, Vama Bhage, Prishta Bhage. Daksha is righteousness, right. Even in direction also you can use Daksha. Dakshinataha. I am coming from the south. Vamataha, north. So Dakshina is always right. That's what I want to say. Right is a righteous person, a knowledgeable righteous person. Daksha was a very famous Himavan. He was a very Asura, but very knowledgeable, but not righteous. But he keeps himself as Daksha. As some keep themselves as Natha, as if Lokanatha, they are Mahavishnu. Dakshinaha, and he is the righteous person. Dakshaha, and he is a Dakshinaha. Kshaminam Varaha. Kshama. What is Kshamin? Patience, no? Kshaminam. Him the patience. Varaha, the boon he gives. Varaha is boon. Kshaminam, the Vara of the boon. The righteousness. He is a righteouser, whatever you call. He is a rightful person. And Dakshaha is right. Chaminam Varaha, Vidvattamah. Vidvatvam is something is a normal word for any Indian. Vidvatvam means knowledge, the science of knowledge. Vidvat, Vidvattamah, the one who has the knowledge. He is the Vidvattamah. Vita Bhayaha. Now, what is meant by Vita? Vita has got a lot of meanings, but the correct meaning I am here you have to take is the Bhayaha worn out. Vita means he wears out the Bhaya, the fear. Vita Bhayaha, that's why they put the word. Vita has a lot of meaning, which I am not going to discuss now. But one of the meanings is the wearing out of the Bhayaha. So, Vita Bhayaha, he wears out the fear. If you trust him, you have the confidence. Vita Bhayaha. So, Vita Bhayaha, Punya Shravana Kirtana. Punya, righteousness. Shravana is to hear. Kirtana, praise, songs, Kirtanas, bhajans. Kirtanaha is the doer of the Kirtanam. He is the Kirtanaha. He is the singer. He is the praiser. He is the devotee. He is the Bhaktiman. So Kirtanaha you can say, because Asman Naha also will come in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Asman Shabd is Aham Avam Vayam. Mamma you can have, or Avam Now you can have, or Asman, we all, Naha, we all. So one who is giving the Kshamam, the patience, the tolerance, the forgiveness attitude, Chaminam Varaha. Then Vidvattama Vidabhaya Punya Shravana Kirtana. He is a Kirtana, he is a singer. So all these things he comes. Then we'll go to the last verse of. So with this I am ending, because I don't want, time is up already 27 minutes. So with this I am ending. The more of it I shall continue. Please subscribe to my channel for continuity till such time. Bhuya Tavat Shubhamangalam Hari Om. Thank you.